So hey guys, good evening. Today we are going to Ayala and SM City for the drone show, and we are gonna have some fun. Ayala, it starts at 9 and in SM City it starts at 7, so we have to be really quick, and I'm already late, so I'm gonna rush now and I'm gonna see you in a bit. Alright guys, so we are heading now to the fireworks show, and it's already 6:30 and it starts at 7 according to the report. So we are gonna go and let's see. Basically they have the drone show along with the pyro. I think it's synced with the music or something. That's what someone told me, or I just googled it. So yeah, let's have some fun. Okay guys, all set now with my drone, so let's see. Possibly they should start at any moment now. It's already 7, so we just finished drone show here in SM City. Now we are heading to Ayala. A huge crowd is there. I think we have to go the other way around. There's a huge crowd. Let's check for any alternative routes if it's available. Finally we are inside. Let's go to Ayala now. So that's our next plan. I believe we got some really amazing shots, especially with the drone along with my Insta360, because I just cross-checked a little bit and it looks really phenomenal. So let's go to the next play. In Ayala, it's at 9 p.m. So we are gonna go there. So there is no drone show there. The only thing that they have fireworks. So we are gonna go and have some fun. Kids here are crazy, man. Okay guys, a small tip for you all. If ever you guys are planning to visit Cebu, if you really want to buy something electronics, SM City is the best place. Trust me, you have tons of varieties of options. You can go around the shops to get the cheaper price, along with, especially when electronics are in the game. Alright guys, the time is 7:15 right now and the fireworks starts at 9. It's above a big skyscraper, that's what the sources told, so we are gonna head there. Ayala is a very confusing place now. I'm still searching where the exit is so that it's easier for me to navigate and get my drone in place for making videos. Alright guys, we just finished in Ayala as well. Oh my goodness, there is a huge crowd following everywhere, and I think the last would be in Sports Complex, but we won't be going there because it's already late and we have duty tomorrow. So time to head home. We had some amazing shots, I believe, and we really enjoyed making videos, especially of the fireworks in SM City and Ayala, Cebu. Alright, so it's time to head home, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in a bit.